Hey y'all, just a strange thing. My cat is sleeping on the porch and there's a raccoon eating food and drinking water, and my cat's sleeping through it as the raccoon is just owner. I have strange babies. What can I say? I don't know what to say about these kids.
The kicker? These massive geoglyphs can only be fully appreciated from the sky. Amazingly enough, these designs were carved between 500 BC and 500 AD by the ancient Nazca
But
culture.
the cat
Over
just don't seem to mind
2,000 years ago, long before the Wright brothers
what's
even
going on.
dreamed of flight, these folks were creating artwork meant to be seen
And these
from the
raccoons,
sky.
they might
Does it
run
leave a
off a little
random
bit
message
whenever I
for
go
future
out, but
airborne
they don't
observers, or perhaps something else
don't
entirely?
really
The
bother with
precision of
me.
these lines is
And the
crazy.
cats
The
don't bother
Nazca
with
people
them.
managed to create ruler straight lines stretching up to 30 miles.
And I
Imagine
don't
trying to draw
understand
a
with the
straight line
raccoons too.
that
They'll
long
also put their
without
feet and all that
GPS
in the
or
water,
satellite imagery.
and they will
Even
go
after
and
thousands of years of
just,
wind and weather, many
well,
designs
there he
remain
goes.
clearly visible. And with the
They'll
help
put
of
the food in the
AI,
water and then they'll
more
eat it,
designs are
and
being uncovered every day. So why did they do it?
you can tell
Well,
they've been eating a
some
lot
researchers
of the cat
propose
food.
an
As
astronomical calendar
fat
tracking
as the
celestial
little booger
movements.
has gotten.
Others suggest they're maps to underground water sources. Pretty crucial in a bone dry
But
desert.
just thought
And
this was
yes,
a
there are those who argue
kind of
that
a
their landing strips
funny
are
little video.
extraterrestrial visitors.
So
One intriguing
y'all have a
idea
good
suggests
one.
the lines were
Take
originally
care. God
patterns
bless.
meant to
We'll see
invoke
you on the next one.
religious
Bye for
ceremonies.
now.
Imagine